Hello, little friends. Today, we are going to explore goats, the cutest and most mischievous friends on the farm. They have bright eyes, long ears, and soft fur. Goats love to hop around the meadow as if they're playing a game. They are very fond of munching on fresh green grass and eagerly try everything, from cabbages to leaves. When goats bleat, mee, the sound is as cheerful as laughter, making the whole garden come alive. Goats are also very smart. They know how to climb and skillfully overcome obstacles, just like high-jump athletes. Additionally, goats enjoy gathering in groups, playing together, and teasing each other with their cute little horns. They are always full of life, joy, and boundless energy. Their playful antics bring joy to everyone. With goats, life is small but full of color. And remember, if you want a happier day, just think of these adorable goats. They are sure to make you smile.